Today, I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way to connect your Supabase database to n8n, whether that is through a regular node or whether that is part as a tool through an AI agent. It works both the same. So let's get straight into it. You will want to create a node or a tool, and we'll click into it. And you can see I have no credentials set up already. So I'm going to create a new credential. And all we need is the host URL and also the service role secret. So if we go over to Supabase, this works with any level of database. At the moment, I'm on a nano, so a free account essentially. I've gone over here to project settings on the left-hand side, and we will want to go to data API. And you'll see here, this is our URL, which we want to copy, come back over to n8n and post that in here as the host. Okay, half done. Then what we want to do is click on go to JWT keys. Now you will see that these are legacy API keys and ones that are probably phasing out. However, this is the way that we connect at the moment on n8n. So we want to find the service role. We want to reveal this and copy this. Then we want to come back over to n8n and simply paste that in here. Then click save, and you should see a nice green connection tested successfully notification. And once that is done, you should be able to close this, and you should be able to see in here that you have all of your tables. So I'm going to grab one called flashcards. I'm going to limit it to one. I'm going to execute, and you'll see, there we go, we get one of my flashcards from my database, and it is that simple. There is nothing more to it. If you need any help with this or anything n8n related, or when it comes to building AI agents with n8n, do come on over to the free Applied AI Club. Link is down in the description below. I do also have a paid one if you're really serious about implementing AI within a business in a profitable way. You can check that out in the description below as well. But there we go, super quick and simple way. That is it from this video. Please like if you have liked this video, subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.